Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase this sidelight today. The sidelight measures 16 inches from outside to outside and 96 inches from all the way to the top to all the way to the bottom. On an 81 inch, it'll be 16 inches by 81 inches, okay? So always remember, all of our sides are from the outside to outside. We're calling this the Beverly sidelight, but it's actually kind of a universal sidelight that you can use this on a lot of different doors if needed. It'll blend in with other doors. You can use this on a single door. You can use this on a double door if you like. If you notice, we have mounting tabs on this. These mounting tabs are there, so if you have for instance, a single door and you have a post, you can use these mounting tabs on those posts. Now, if you want to eliminate the mounting tabs, you can grind those mounting tabs off, you can cut the welds off, put the door and sidelight together, and you're gonna have to get creative on how you're gonna bolt it together, but it's not that hard because it's metal, it's tube metal. You can bolt through the jamb where the actual door opens up. You can bolt through the jamb and screw it into this and put some kind of silicone to hold them together. We've seen customers do that also. Or if you like, we can make the doors with the sidelight if needed, and we'll provide all the holes and caps and all that stuff with it on a custom order. But typically this 13 inch by 96 or 13 inch by 81 inch is what we try to stock and keep in stock at all times. Pretty simple. It's basically a rectangle with rain glass in it, solid pickets, oil rub bronze, pretty universal. You can stick this on majority of our doors. And let me flip this around to the back and show you guys what the back looks like. So the back, I have to hold this so it won't fall, but the back's pretty simple. It's glass, it's solid. On custom orders, we can make these glass open up also, and you can add a screen. That's definitely a different option. And you can also add a kick plate on custom orders if you like. But this is just something that we try to keep in stock as much as we can. We just can't make enough of them, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the showcase on our sidelight today. If you have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com or at 844-843-6677. Thank you.